The colleges are twinning with internationally recognized training institutions. UTC Lira is twinning with NAIT. NAIT is Northern Alberta Institute for Technology in Canada. These are internationally recognized training institutions. They have supported us to develop internationally recognized curriculum. So whoever is going through this training is getting highly skilled and competencies required by the labor market.
Thank you very much. I want you to imagine that internationally recognized certificate. Somebody will be coming from Lira here. After your course here, you go and easily get a job in Canada. Go and get a job in South Africa. Go and, this is great. You are aware that in the past we've had problems with these projects. But I think this one is a success, a big success.
But in this project, the World Bank, through the Uganda Skills Development Project, brought for us some equipment to aid our learning. And these equipment are really very expensive. If it were not because of the World Bank support, it would not be very easy for government to provide all this. So that is the major challenge we face when we are training our learners.
Of maintenance.
Thank you very much. You need to clap.